I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel and home for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our white green country, so we be Nigeria. Like this now, me don't come with breaking news, me don't come with updates. Me get report for my table like this where the general public need to be aware about. And this informate my good people. Now another reason why countrymen no gas put hand for bad thing. This now another reason why countrymen no gas involve themselves in jaguda activities. No say the Edo State government, their anti-kidnapping task force, they continue to bring down men property. The task force they continue to demolish any property wey concern kidnappers. And the latest of the demolition na one middle-aged man wey dey go by the name Odianosen Obo of Uromi for inside Edo Central Senatorial District. This man now don lose property wey he inherit sake of say he put hand for activities of kidnapping. And now my good people, ma yarn you legit. You know say before for inside Edo State, the law be say if you be kidnapper and you dey follow do kidnapping activities, if police last grab you for inside Edo State, number one, they go demolish your property. Number two, you go lodge for prison. But sake of say men don dey reason am, say that punishment e no dey enough for jaguda men dem because jaguda activities dey rise for inside the state. Some lawmakers now come arrange bill go drop for the Edo State House of Assembly. And that bill be say make men authorize make be say na RIP sentence. Now go come be the second punishment for jaguda men will be kidnappers for inside Edo State. And last the Edo State House of Assembly come plaster am. That is to say, if you be kidnapper for inside Edo State and men come grab you last, number one, they go demolish your property. You no get as e wan be. And number two, you don't plaster RIP sentence on top yourself by yourself. That is the government gets your dodo. That means the government gets approval and gets green card to buy you. Now, sake of say this man they involved in kidnapping, the Edo State government, their anti-kidnapping task force don't demolish in property. The man say even come outside, they confess to the crime. He now can use the mouth, they talk and say yes, in they involved. Before the demolition happened, now he can talk say yes, so he received 800,000 naira from kidnapping activity. According to how they talk, they come outside from his mouth. He say his name na Odianosen Obo and na his house na men they demolish. And this house so when men they demolish, na him papa na first start to the build am, but him papa no complete am. Him na can complete the building, na can finish where him papa for start. And he can't get one of him friend when they go by the name Epama. And he follow this in friend, so maybe Epama go kidnap one country person. And as they kidnap the person, they can't transport the person for their motor. But last the motor can't spoil for road and they can't continue the kidnapping activity with bike. Now so the men now take carry this countryman with them kidnap on top machine and they can't carry am enter bush for Uromi. And they can't spend 3 days for inside bush before the families or the relative or anybody will like the man with them kidnap so can't pay the sum of 5 million naira so that they go last release am. And he said now 5 of them now they involved for the kidnapping activity. Now 5 of them now do the job, but last they can't give him 800,000 naira. And he use that money to settle some kind debt way they in neck at that time. So when Tori people now come ask this man how manage we then say arrest him. He said now in friend way carry am come the activity will be Epami. As in arrest in friend now come point and give am. Now in friend now come confess. Now come carry police lead to his own domot where they can't see arrest and so and they can't demolish in property. And this property now in papa now start to build am, but him now can't finish am. So because of 800,000 naira, they don't demolish the house so and in family no get house again. In children now go dey outside. And this now reasons why men no gas put hand for jaguda activity. This now reason why men no gas commit crime for inside Edo State. This my good people now how the countryman will be Odianosen Obo take use a man take confess. And my good people, if you touchlight the things and things where this man yarn, you go observe say signs dey ground for him to know say the things wey they do no make sense at all. Number one, their motor can go spoil for road. But them now, based on say they don't get akpo for their mind, they say no, this kidnapping must get head. Can't use Okada, can't continue with the kidnapping process. Now with machine, now they use carry the countryman with them kidnap, go enter bush. And secondly, somebody need to tell this countryman say as they dey 5 for the kidnapping activity and they can't pay them 5 million naira. But his own share for the money na 800. He suppose know say they don't cheat him. He suppose know say that's na opportunity for him to come up body because last it get meaningful head. But no, instant proceed further collect the money and they talk saying can they go settle debt. Now you no get any amount of palava where person go enter where go make you go put hand for bad thing because normally rain need to fall for one roof. any condition wey you think say you dey face, be rest assured say e get another countryman wey dey face almost the same thing, or im dey face something wey worse pass your own. So putting hand for jaguda activities no be excuse, because now wey im hands don reach ground, im family now no go see where to call home, dem no go see where to call house, dem no go see anything wey resemble shelter wey be say na their own. And I believe say im go dey regret the incident, im go dey regret why im put body for those kind levels, and na im friend na even carry am go. Dis na another reason why men gats know the kind friend wey dem dey keep. Now unto dis development, so the special adviser to Governor Monday Okpebholo of Edo State on security affairs, dis man dey go by the name Mr. Paul, after im don supervise the demolition finish, I no be lie, dis demolition so na the fourth property wey men don bring down, fourth property wey belong to kidnappers dem wey men don bring down for inside Edo State. After every Mr. Paul come dey yarn say the Edo State governor no go relent at all, im no go tire until kidnapping end for inside Edo State. So make men dey rest assured say dis bringing down of property e no go finish until kidnapping activity finish for inside Edo State. Mr. Paul come still dey yarn the advice wey im get to everybody be say there is no peace for the wicked at all. So those men now wey still dey do kidnapping for inside Edo State, they suppose to know, make dem get am for back of their mind, say since they no wan stop, the government too no go stop. And normally parable dey ground, and that parable dey yarn say pikin wey say mama no go sleep, that pikin too no go sleep. Now men don throw advice say make men comot hand for jaguda activities. Normally fly wey no dey hear word dey follow dead body enter grave. So e go good now make men repent, because last had I know, e never sweet when person dey talk am. And unto this development, so unto this demolition, the commander of the task force wey be Michael Aneto, plus a superintendent of police. Now unto this development, so unto this demolition of property, the commander of the task force wey dey go by the name Michael Aneto, plus one superintendent of police, both of them together dey yarn say the suspect, the man wey dey demolish im property, so na him by himself confess am say im belong to a 5-member gang wey do kidnapping for inside Edo State. And sake of say the man confess to the crime, that na why task force gats enforce the law, and the law be say they go demolish your property, e no get as e wan be. No matter how you beg reach, even if e be say na the only property wey you get, even if e be say na the property na you take dey feed yourself, so far say you don put am for jaguda activity and they don gbab you and evidence dey ground, that property dey reach ground. Dis my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. And unto this informate, so I believe say men got things and things to talk about. So anyhow the matter be you for body, or if be say you get contributions about the matter, no let anybody or anything stop you. Feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Once again, now we be reality latest gist. Now we dey like give una reality news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our white green country, so wey be Nigeria. Now if you be say you like this informate and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more reality latest dey come your side, now you go first receive the updates, and you go even receive am sharp. Now me dey come back with more updates, me dey come back with more reports for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.